Okay guys, here we are. Finally have the battle cat scrubber, presenting it to you. Here we go. It's on a bronze pad. You can change that out and use a white pad. We have our own rinse bar. I'm going to show you the rinse bar. All right. Rinse bar is a prototype. We're still working on a few kinks. Once that rinse bar is totally ready to go, you can start buying it. So one of the really cool features about the battle cat scrubber is this pivot action. So you can have a Y-X pivot action. You can go from top to bottom in one motion. We're gonna look at that action there. So there you have it. It's this is a 10-inch. This is a 10-inch pad with bronze, and we're making them in 10-inch, 16-inch, and 18-inch. Look for more details coming soon. Like I said, once we work out just a few kinks with the rinse bar, this is ready for you guys to start buying it. I'm gonna let you on some more details on this very soon. Thanks guys, bye.